And now, another installment of Sandwiches of Canada. Hello, Sandwich Dad and Sandwich Lad here. Today we're making the Pittsburgher. Oh, not the Pittsburgher, the Pittsburgher. The Butte, Saskatchewan Pits. Official burger of the hockey team, sent in to me by number 88, Wally Wilchowy. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take a grocery store Kaiser, split it, and I'm gonna toast it as well. Once we've got a nice light toast, we'll mix up some horseradish and mayonnaise, make a horseradish mayo. Get that on the bottom here. Next, we need a can of Burns Flakes of Ham. What are you doing? That's jam. There it is. Well, he said half a patty. But you know what? Maybe we'll warm it up a bit. Good enough. Next, we'll need some pickled egg. Nice slices of that on there. Then we follow up the egg with some slices of pickle. A couple slices of tomato. And pepper, of course. 2 bear paws, huh? Okay. Lettuce. Finally, he said nacho chip. I'm going to assume he means with cheese. All right, then we'll put the old bucket on here. Have a look. Wally also said chase with a couple of tums. Luckily, as a regular sandwich poster, I have that covered. Now, we have to squish it down. Cut diagonally. Of course, when it's a circle, it's just straight across. And take a look at that cross section. Wow. This may be one of the greater cross sections we've made on here. The Pilot Butte's own Pittsburgher. Taste test. I love it. But I'm from Saskatchewan. Maybe I'm biased. I'm going to give the Pilot Butte Pittsburgher 4.7 out of 5 easy chairs. Thanks so much, Wally. Hope the Pits are having a great season. This is Sandwich Dad. Good day.